See, they can catch it.
That's boring.
Hoy, Maya, the duck. Hi, Maya, put it on your hand. Maybe somebody would get it. Yeah, they're tempted. They're tempted. Yeah, they wanted to bite.
Don't bite my fingers.
Come on, I dare you, birds. Come on. Oh yeah, you tell them, do you want teriyaki sauce?
Maybe you should try it.
Come on. Come, no, I'm asking them to come. Come on.
60 years later.
Come on. Stop laughing. Oy, Maya, the duck.
I was cheering again. Actually, the more that's coming, I just realized if I kind of eat it.
Oh, give it the duck again. Throw the cat. Ay! They're swallowing it. They're catching it on the air. Maya, try to throw it near you, like upwards.
Oh, look at face.
Not too close. Because
Okay, here, like this.
up, like upwards. Yeah. No, keep it up because they will learn it. There's only one duck.
No, there's a female duck.
Okay. Aha, there's a female duck now. Oh yeah, it's good.